Hi, welcome back to graphixslice channel. Today we are going to discuss one more topic, that is how to remove unwanted thing in your picture. So by using any image, if you don't want any object or person or anything, how to remove it without affecting the remaining image, how to erase it within a minute, how to erase the unwanted things more faster and perfect way. Today we are going to discuss that tool, that is content aware fill. So first we will discuss with the example. So just double click, you'll get a, here I have some sample images. We will discuss one by one. So first I will show one example. So this is one flower image. So I want to remove this flower, so I need only this green color background. So how to erase it? I will show you how to erase it. So just I'm going to duplicate this. Just click Ctrl J, automatically you'll get a duplicate. So why I'm duplicating? So I don't want to affect the original layer, and just to know before and after effect I duplicated one more. That is also one more reason. Go to the quick selection tool. So you can select manually or else in CC advanced tool, that is select object. So based on AI concept, artificial intelligence concept, automatically it will select the object. Photoshop automatically detects the object which one is highlighted. See here. So this flower is selected. So with the help of here, observe this symbol plus or minus. You can use manually, plus by using shift, minus by using alt key. So by default plus is enabled. I want to select flower along with this portion. Okay, so after that, so sharp edges, you maybe get sharp edges. Just control plus for zoom. So here exact edges will be get selected. So now before going to fill, so go to the select tool, modify, just expand the border up to 5 pixels or 10 pixels, how much you want, that much. So I'm going to add 8 pixels. Click OK. So borders are extended. Just observe here. So borders are extended, right? So now I'm going to make this as a fill. Go to the edit tool, in that fill. So shortcut command shift F5. Click fill. In that contents, use content aware tool and blend mode switch to normal only. Click OK. See, within a seconds you'll get the results. See how it's very simple to remove a thing. Just Ctrl D to deselect the selection. See, before, after. So this is content fill. See how much exactly within a minute you can remove the thing which one you want to select it. So I will show one more example. So I'm going to select boat. Again I'm going to unlock this one more duplicate, Ctrl J. So I want to erase this. Just go and select a selection tool. With person. So one person is below the boat. I'm going to select the boat. Just observe here. So along with water, we selected boat. No problem if you select some outer portion also. So you can use expand tool also. Otherwise I'm going to select some extra portion here directly. That's it. No need to use expand now. Okay. So after selection, just go on fill. Same content aware. Automatically it fills the water. Randomly it will take a picture from other side and it will fill here. See, after, before. This is the original pic before. So after using content aware, smoothly we can erase the unwanted things in a picture. So I will show one more example how much easy it is. Very simple, right? So I will pick one more in third example. Again, so here polar bears. I need only one polar bear, that's why I want to erase this. So save for safety, and just to check after and before, just duplicate the layer by using Ctrl J. Then use selection tool, quick selection tool. and then select the object, or else use select object. Automatically it will select the both polar bears. So it takes some seconds to select. See, automatically it selects both the polar bears. I don't want this one, so then go to selection here, rectangular selection tool, hold shift, just drag the image. So this one is deselected, so only small polar bear is selected. Before going to fill, so go to the select tool, modify, expand the pixels up to 8. Okay, this is the polar bear, so we got selected. Next, go to the edit, use fill tool, by using content aware, same thing. Just see how it comes. This is before, this is after, right? Very simple. So this is fill by using content aware. Go to the edit option, in that fill, shift F5, use content aware. So why this tool is helpful? To remove unwanted things in your project or else in your image. This is another one example. One more, this one, right? We discussed these three. So try these three things, download these images in description and try this tool. I will attach all these three images for your practice purpose. Download it and use it. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and if you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you very much.